Managing rental properties can be overwhelming. From tenant screening to repairs, there's a lot to handle. So is hiring a property management service really worth it? A property manager takes care of everything for you, saving you time on tenant screenings, showing properties, and handling late-night emergencies. They're experts in the local rental market and legal compliance, ensuring your property is in top shape and you avoid costly mistakes. With thorough tenant screening and consistent rent collection, property managers help ensure your rental income is stable and reliable. They handle all maintenance and repairs, ensuring your property stays well-maintained and appealing to quality tenants. In short, property management services save you time, reduce stress, and increase your bottom line, making them a smart investment for any property owner. Like and subscribe for more property management tips, and comment below if you're ready to simplify your rental journey.